Good morning, students. Today I have discussed about Fajans rule. So Fajans rule means Fajans will explain covalent character of ionic compounds. So he will explain covalent character of ionic compounds according to Fajans rule. Covalent character increases in given cation. So for given cation, covalent character is increases with increasing the size of anion. For example, we have to take potassium fluoride and potassium iodide. So what I am saying, covalent character is increases with increasing the sizing of anion. So here potassium cation will be constant. So fluorine and iodine, these two compounds, iodine covalent character is more than fluorine, more than fluorine. So here these two elements are, so potassium fluoride have less covalent character than potassium iodide. Okay, so this is first rule, and second one, for given anion. So here anion will be constant. For given anion, covalent character is increases with decreasing the size of cation. Increases with decreasing the size of cation. So here we have to take about lithium fluoride and potassium fluoride. So these two examples are taken. Lithium cation has small than potassium. So lithium fluoride covalent character is more than potassium fluoride. Okay. So it is second one. So for given anion, covalent character is increases with decreasing the size of cation. Decreasing the size of cation. And next, third one. So in compounds, the compounds which have more charge, the compounds which have more charge, that will be have more covalent character. That will be have more covalent character. For example, here we have to take tin tetrachloride, tin tetrachloride and stannous chloride. So tin tetrachloride, this have +4 charge, and here it is +2 charge. So what I am saying, covalent character is increases with increasing the charge of cation. Charge of cation. So tin tetrachloride having more covalent character than stannous chloride. Next, fourth one. So for given cation, the cation must have pseudo electron configuration. Pseudo electronic configuration. Pseudo means, so the outermost electron will be having n-1 d10 and p6 s2 electron configuration. So 18 electrons present on valency shell, that will be considered as a pseudo electronic configuration. So cations must have pseudo electronic configuration, that will be have more covalent character. Then cations having noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration, that is NH2NP6. So these are Fajans rule. Okay. So once again, I will repeat again. So Fajans will explain covalent character of ionic compounds. Here we have to take ionic compounds, and he will be explain covalent nature in ionic compounds. So according to Fajans, first one, for given cation, covalent character is increases with increasing the size of anion. Increasing the size of anion. So here these two examples in potassium fluoride and potassium iodide. Potassium fluoride having less covalent character than potassium iodide. So here anion size is fluorine has less small than iodine. Okay. And for given anion, covalent character is increases with decreasing the size of cation. Decreasing the size of cation. So lithium fluoride having more covalent than potassium fluoride. So in lithium and potassium, lithium have small size. Next one, so the compounds which have more charge, the compounds which have more charge, that will be have more covalent character. So tin tetrachloride having more covalent character than stannous chloride. Okay. And next one, for given cation or cations must have pseudo electronic configuration that will be have more covalent character than noble gas electron configuration. So thank you students. Okay, thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel for more videos.